Hello dear fans. How America appeared. The history of the United States is much shorter than that of most European and Asian countries. However, it still contains interesting and fascinating pages that show the specifics of this country and society. Instructions. Step 1. The first humans in what is now the United States appeared about 30,000 years ago. Presumably, they got to the mainland through the Bering Strait. This population, later called the American Indians, developed autonomously until the beginning of the era of the great geographical discoveries. Unlike the Aborigines of South America, the inhabitants of the northern continent did not create large civilizations, preserving the communal clan system until the arrival of the Europeans, and in some cases even later. Step 2. The discovery of America for Europeans took place at the end of the 15th century, but for a long time, visits to the territory of the modern United States were only short-term. The first permanent English settlement was established on these lands only in 1607. Several powers soon began to claim the American continent at once. Spanish settlements were located in the south, French in the southeast and northeast, English on the Atlantic coast. However, conflicts were avoided for a long time due to the size of the territory. The English colonists were mostly Puritans, followers of strict Protestant teachings. Step 3. The formation of an independent American state took place in 1776. In this year, the colonies decided to secede from the British Empire. However, the secession was not peaceful. It ended in the War of Independence, which was won by the United States. And after the proclamation of the Free USA, the formation of America as a state was not completed. Step 4. In the 19th century, the development of western lands continued. Alaska and Louisiana were acquired. As a result of the war with Mexico, the southern borders were expanded. During the Civil War, the modern political and administrative system of the United States was formed, based on the supremacy of federal laws, taking into account the fairly broad autonomy of each state. Only by the beginning of the 20th century did the United States become a state within its present-day borders. Thanks for watching.